Hi, today I'll be showing you how to bind 3-hole paper very quickly using 3D pen. Let's get started. Okay, so the principle is pretty straightforward. What you want to do is to fill the holes with the filaments, and at the end you want to open that hole wider so it locked in. As you can see, both end is wider and it locked in, and so it binds it pretty tight, as you can see here, right? So here I have a pretty thick 3-hole papers. I have like maybe, I don't know, 30 or 40 of them. Okay, make sure the holes is aligned properly. So I have a 3-hole paper. It's about probably 30 or 40 pages, and notice I align it properly. And make sure you have a mat that's heat resistant, and then you place it on the mat like this. And now usually I have a template, like a hexagonal wrench, and I place it on the hole. The reason for that, it will give it a nicer shape. Okay, so let's do that. And then what you do, and let's see if we can make sure you're aligned properly. There we go. And then you just fill the hole first. Okay. There we go. The filament's going to fill the hole now. Fit all the way to the top. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wrench. So, fill the wrench. Space. It's about 3 millimeters thick. Once I do that, then I just press on it like that. Okay, it's a bit hot. Then it's done. Do the same here. I'm kind of doing it fast because I just want to show you, but usually I'm not in a hurry. But there you go. Do it again. Okay, there we go. Looks pretty good. And you flip it to the other side. Do fill it up. I would recommend you wear gloves or something because it's super hot when you press on it. Okay, there we go. And that's about it. And just wait till it cool down, and we will have a 3-hole paper all bind up and looks quite nice. See, there we go. See that? Pretty cool. Let me show you another one here. This one's a thick one. Okay, so this is, I'm not sure how many pages this one. Look like it's close to 100 here. But again, the hole lines up very nicely on this one. So I'm going to try this one. And I'm going to fill it up. There we go, and we're done. Just let it cool down, and we got a nice bind 3-hole book. Looks nice, huh? Wow. I need to trim this a little bit here, but other than that, it looks pretty impressive. There we go. It's pretty sturdy, I can tell you this. Now you can buy anything with a 3D pen. Cool. Thanks for watching. EducateTube.com.